Amazing offers, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in the English language. Amazing offers. This phrase is not only popular in everyday conversation but also widely used in marketing and advertising. Understanding its meaning and usage will definitely enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in. Amazing offers refers to exceptionally good or attractive proposals or deals that are made available, usually for a limited time. These offers are designed to be enticing and are often associated with discounts, special deals, or exclusive opportunities. They are commonly used in retail, travel, and service industries to attract customers. In this section, we'll explore how the phrase, amazing offers, is used in different contexts. You'll often find this phrase in advertising, such as posters, flyers, or online ads, where businesses are promoting their products or services. It's also used in everyday conversation when discussing deals or opportunities that seem too good to miss. To help you better understand, here are some examples of how amazing offers can be used in sentences. The store has some amazing offers for Black Friday, including huge discounts on electronics. I received an email about amazing offers on holiday packages this summer. They're giving amazing offers on their new product line. We should check it out. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for amazing offers include incredible deals, fantastic bargains, exceptional promotions, unbelievable discounts. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what amazing offers means and how you can use it in your daily English. Remember, language is not just about learning new words, but also about understanding the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using phrases like amazing offers naturally in conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.